How to get the refund on CNfans. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to get the refund on CNfans application. So after you open up your phone, now go ahead and open the app on your mobile phone, so or you can use the site. So after you open like the site or the app, you can go to your account section at the bottom right side. After you come to the account section, now you can tap on this option which says contact/email. This one, contact/email. So after you come to this contact/email, all you have to do now, you can tap on this. So you can tap on this plus button, this little plus button, tap on it. After you come to this plus button, here you can type in your title of your problem. So I will just type in refund like this. After you type a refund, so in this option now, go ahead and type in I need a refund again, a refund. So after you type in the message like this, now you can tap on the submit button. So after you tap on the submit button, as you can see now it takes you to a chat with the customer support. All you have to do now, tap on this plus button to upload an image of the product. Tap on this album button, or you can use the camera. So just go ahead and upload the image of the product that you bought. So after you select the picture, you can select more than one picture at a time. So after you select, like I need this one picture, after I select the picture like this, so you can tap on this done button. So now we can tap on this submit button. So as you can see now, after you tap on the submit button, now as you can see now, they will ask you now for a completion of the product, and from there your refund will be completed. That's it guys on how to get refund on CNfans. If you want this video helpful, please like and subscribe.